In this video, we're gonna learn how to fix black screen on iPhone. If you're experiencing a black screen issue on your iPhone, then it can be pretty much frustrating. Here are some potential solutions you can try to fix the issue. First, inspect your iPhone for any physical damage such as cracks or water damage. If you find any, it might be the main cause of the problem. In this case, you may need to seek professional help. If that is not the case, then the next thing to do is to make sure that you've charged your iPhone. Ensure that you have enough battery power connected to it. And after you have enough power on your iPhone's battery, it can help with the black screen issue, since a depleted battery can cause a black screen issue on iPhone. If that still doesn't help, then you can simply force start your iPhone. Press and hold the power switch and then go ahead and slide the power call button at the top. Once you reboot your iPhone, enter your passcode and then open it up again. And then once you restart your iPhone, you might be able to fix your black screen issue. If that still doesn't work, then you can try connecting to a computer. Try connecting your iPhone with a computer with iTunes installed, and the iTunes might recognize your device and prompt you to update or restore it. Follow the on-screen instructions to see if that fixes the issue. Those were some of the tips you could go ahead and follow in order to fix black screen issue on iPhone. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. See you soon with another tutorial video. Goodbye till then.